Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your Oneplus 10T 5G. And we can do this with a custom smart socket right here. It should tell the exact statistics on this device right here. So now let's plug in the charger onto the socket, then the cable, and the phone. Now we need to wait about 30 seconds till all of the statistics stabilize. And right now you should see the stabilized statistics in the middle right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.